To fix the PayPal error, we couldn't confirm it's you. Follow these steps. First, ensure you are using the correct login credentials, including your email address and password. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, as this can sometimes resolve the issue. Next, check that your account information is up to date, including your name, address, and phone number. Verify that your account is verified, as unverified accounts may encounter this error. If your account is not verified, follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Another common cause of this error is a mismatch between your PayPal account information and your browser or device information. Try accessing your PayPal account from a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it and accessing your account again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try resetting your PayPal password. Go to the PayPal login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and try logging in again. In some cases, this error may be caused by a security measure implemented by PayPal. If you have recently made changes to your account, such as adding a new bank account or credit card, you may need to wait a few days for the changes to take effect. Finally, if you have tried all of these steps and are still encountering the error, contact PayPal customer support directly. They will be able to assist you in resolving the issue and regaining access to your account. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and secure to avoid encountering this error in the future.